Welcome to the CU14, the most advanced gas kiln controller in the industry. The CU14 is designed intuitively for everyday firings and offers features for more complex curves. This video will help you get started. The top section of the controller contains the page navigation and information bar. All areas of the controller and critical information are accessible and visible at all times. The home page graphically displays in-progress firing information. The diagnostics page displays individual thermocouple readouts and air and gas valve positioning. On the start page, you can select and start a program. All your curves you create are listed here. The programming page is where you can create or edit firing curves. You can also make copies or delete programs. Finally, the Preferences page is for altering your user settings, such as changing the temperature scale to Fahrenheit or Celsius. To write a program, first go to the Programming page. Enter a title that describes the type of firing you wish to design and press Create. The page will now display a series of blank program lines. Double-click anywhere on line 1. A dialog box will open displaying the options for that line. Input your target temperature for line 1. Now you have a choice. Either input the amount of time you wish to reach your target, or input a rate of temperature change to your target. Next, you must choose a mode. There are 4 modes. Firing mode will be used for most of your firing needs, including down firing. Cooling mode allows the kiln to control and expedite cooling. Drying mode limits the power of the kiln. Use this mode at low temperatures. Use main on mode during reduction. Oxidation factor sets how lean or rich the fuel mixture is entering the burners. The default value is 150%. Any value less than 100% is a reducing value. Any value greater than 100% is an oxidizing value. If unwanted reduction appears in oxidation firings, set oxidation protection to Yes. Once you are satisfied, click Save to continue to your next line. Now you can continue to write your program line by line until you are complete. Remember to click Save after each line. When you have completed your program, click Save and Exit, and you will be returned to the programming page. To start a program that you have created, first go to the Start page. Choose your desired program, then click Start Program on the left. The controller will automatically send you to the home page, displaying your program as a graph. Once the kiln has completed resetting, the startup procedure begins automatically. Firings are monitored predominantly using the home page. Let's look first at the graph. The modes you selected during programming are displayed using colors. Green is drying mode, used for low temperatures. Red is firing mode, used for firing and down firing. Black is main on mode, used for reducing values, and blue is cooling mode for controlled expedited cooling. Next, let's look at the burners. The valves for pilot and main gas are labeled A, B, C, and D. Pilot gas, indicated along the bottom, is used for low power. Main gas, indicated above the pilots, is used for higher powers and reduction. Yellow signifies that the burner is completing its ignition sequence. As the pilots turn green, successful ignition has been verified, and the burners are now ignited. The main gas valves are opened as the kiln requires more power. Blue indicates that the valves are closed. No gas is flowing. In the information bar, you will find the readouts for actual temperature and set point temperature. Actual temperature is the temperature being read at the thermocouples. Set point temperature is the program temperature at that given moment. The kiln continuously adjusts to match the actual temperature to set point. kiln fires, the controller will record in yellow the actual temperature for the entire firing curve. This stop motion segment shows the controller's accuracy in matching actual to set point temperature. You can stop the kiln at any time by pressing stop on the controller. The gas valves close automatically. No fuel can enter the chamber. We hope you find working with the Blaauw Kilns CU14 controller intuitive and enjoyable, and that it meets all your programming and firing needs. Thank you for watching this quick reference video.